If you replace every plank of wood on a ship, is it still the same ship? Imagine the Ship of Theseus, an ancient vessel that has had every piece of wood replaced over time. At what point, if any, does it cease to be the original ship? This thought experiment raises profound questions about identity and continuity. Consider a beloved object in your own life. If you gradually replace every component, does it remain the same object? Or does its identity change with the new parts? Now, extrapolate this to the human experience. Our bodies constantly renew cells. Our thoughts and experiences shape us continuously. Are we the same person we were a decade ago, or do we become someone entirely new with each passing moment? This thought experiment challenges us to ponder the essence of identity. Is it tied to physical continuity, or is it something more abstract, like memories and consciousness? Reflect on how we perceive identity in objects and beings. What does it mean for something or someone to maintain their essence despite changes? As you mull over these questions, consider the implications for how we understand ourselves and our relationships. The Ship of Theseus invites us to explore the fluid nature of identity and what it truly means to be the same.